In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay monthly on Argos. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using the My Argos card app, you will be able to manage your monthly payments. So to do this, use the My Argos card app. So when you open the application, you will be able to sign into your account to manage your card, of course. In here, you will see the amount that you have available, the payment due, how much you have used, and other information, including as well the pending amount. So all that you have to do is tap Pay Now. Immediately upon tapping Pay Now, at the right side of the screen on this green button, you will be redirected to the page where you can choose how much you want to pay off. So you will see the date of your next payment due, the minimum payment that you have to issue, and of course the option to input the value. So use the keypad at the bottom of the screen and input how much you will be paying. Now, you will see the payment options. The main one is by card. So if you tap the plus sign to add a new card as a payment method, you will be able to input all of the details, such as the cardholder's name, the payment card number, expiry date, and finally security code at the back of your card. The card will be verified, and if everything is valid and legitimate, you will be able to pay off the amount that you input on that screen, and you can repeat this as many times as you wish. The payment will show up on your account within 48 hours, and you should make a note of this authorization code in order to keep it ready in case of any problems with these transactions. So all that you have to do is use the My Argos app and choose the option here. You will see how much you have used, how much is pending, and everything will update dynamically. You can manage all of your payments by going over to the menu and on your account page. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay monthly on Argos. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.